Is this the weirdest or smartest electric van ever made? This is the all-new 2026 Kia PV5. It is built on a massive, boxy, platform-beyond vehicle frame designed to maximize interior space. You can get it as a heavy-duty cargo van with 4,420 liters of space, or a passenger MPV that seats up to 7 people. Underneath, you get a front-wheel drive electric motor pushing up to 161 horsepower. The standard 51.5 kilowatt-hour battery gets you 184 miles of range, but the upgraded 71.2 kilowatt-hour long-range battery pushes that to 258 miles on a single charge. Need to juice up? It pulls 150 kilowatts DC fast charging to go from 10% to 80% in exactly 30 minutes.